Artificial intelligence is the new emerging technology. What do you think in the coming times the most significant impact of artificial intelligence on humanity would be? A. Result in unemployment. B. It will speed up the work and will speed up the world. C. It will manipulate the human behavior. I would repeat my topic. Artificial intelligence is the new emerging technology. In the coming times, what do you think the most significant impact of artificial intelligence on humanity will be? A. Result in unemployment. B. It will speed up the work. It will speed up the world. C. It will manipulate the human behavior. Please start.
The significant result of AI is unemployment. You see the data, 8% of the unemployment rate is in
I
India.
agree with just number 29. As we know that the service sector is the most growing sector in the current scenario, and most of the people are being indulged in the service sector. But if the use of the AI will increase in the world, then the people will get unemployed.
Well said by just number 25, but it is important to know that AI may be consuming job, but it is also making our work more efficient and faster, which speeds up how we are
I agree with just number 30, but we see in the world.
Because it will increase
Unemployment rate is more increased in not only in India, but in other countries like America and
really accelerate the work. It really also minimizes the time, but it really replaces the human. Like if there is any use of AI, then there is no use of human also. So I think it will lead to the major employment in many of the countries, like in India also.
I think according to the 2011 census, we have seen that the service sector has employed about 80% of the population who are being educated, and we can see that increasing use of AI has made employment has been the major cause for being unemployed.
Well said by just number 25, but it is important to note that the jobs that are being displaced by AI are also being created and how we create that AI. So jobs are there are jobs available for the people who are able to create this AI, and there are major opportunities and scope if we want to get employed in that field.
right. Just number 30, jobs will be replaced, but new jobs will be created, but it will be efficient and the world will be efficiently operated from there on. From the AI. In our country also impact. We see the job losses in the sectors of services sectors. We see the
Recent example that we've seen that Samsung company has fired 26 of the employed workers just because of the use of the AI. Like they have use of the AI in the many of the production, like the GPUs. They use semiconductor, and before that the human was there, who used machinery for this. But right now AI has replaced them all. Well said by just number 28 that AI has replaced those jobs. But again, those jobs are being created for the people who are creating that AI.
But in the point we see, people are creating AI.
Recently, we have said that
By
the Microsoft
clear that the people that created AI has created all of us just by the AI.
AI increase the speed of all the developed combination because one person is living in a lab and he is surging in Delhi with the help of AI.
Insurgency in the country.
Fact just number 28, as AI can help in a various sector like in hospital sector, defense sector, and in our also life, like we can
I agree with just number 9 that we have to not focus on the increment and development. We have to focus on the government responsibility about the people. They give employment to the people that help in our development and
Regarding that, it will also create an employment in the sector that AI will make the AI, but it is not meeting up the demand that the person who was fired and the person who are involved in the making of the AI.
But another perspective will be that it will consume more energy, and in the coming times with the global warming increases, it will be difficult to generate.
Well said by just number 17, but then again the efficiency and the time it saves
and how effectively the tasks are executed by the AI is more
The
important.
efficient AI will be able to replace the manpower, which will be the main cause for causing the unemployment rates to be high.
Well said by just number 25, but the unemployment rate, then again, the employment is created in the service sector for creating the same AI. Like for example, the AI that we use such as DeepSeek, ChatGPT. If we look at the employees that are maintaining this AI,
Gentlemen, if the machinery will be assistant
The news
to the
come
help of
from the
humans,
Los Angeles.
then it will
We
also
see in the
it will
typing
also be
of
so
the
efficient
AI,
and it will also
ChatGPT,
reduce the minimum. It will also
they
reduce
use
the time
more
as well
amount of water.
as
Because
well
as
as
much as the
faster.
water is scarcity and the
order of the country to compete the developed nation, we have to increase the demand of AI.
I agree with just number 28 that AI is helping the development of the nation and it allows the development to be achieved more effectively because it reduces the time that is taken for every individual task and performs it with more quality.
Well, as number 13 is
I
AI
think if the more people will be indulged in creating the AI, then also it has a limit. But the people employed in the sector does not have a limit. There are many much opportunities for indulging in the
Gentlemen, in the space organization, it has been seen that how human with the machinery has worked so perfectly and efficiently to contribute there. So there are many other sectors where if human will be there together with the machinery, then it will also be the impact for many other countries as well.
Well,
And it will also not.
to come and reduce the human efforts in all the things, in the reading book and all the sectors.
AI will increase its influence in all over the world. What will be happening to the manpower who is studying that same subject?
Well said by just number 25, but then again, the development that AI brings and the new heights of technology that we are able to reach due to AI.
Gentlemen, it has been seen that the manufacturing industry for packaging the material, there is the use of AI, that AI alone package all the material and transport to many other levels. But what about the replacement of that labor who we are using to package the material and many other things which are transported and imported to many other countries?
Well said by just number 28, but the achievements and the achievement that we are able to get due to AI, the better quality products and many of the more efficient functioning even in organizations where AI is managing most of the tasks, it cannot be ignored. And it,
but we can also not ignore that before the creation of the AI, we were also getting developed. Like Homi Jahangir Baba, without the use of AI, with his own brain, he thought of making the nuclear program by its own.
well said by just number 25, but then again, AI is also something that is made by humans and it is made so that it can be used and not because so that we can ignore it to increase employment. So instead of ignoring the
AI is already used in many of the places like in the space also, in the missile also. But if the use of the AI will be increased, then it will really impact the people who are employed and it will lead to the unemployment in many of the countries as well as also in the India.
Well said by just number 18, and we can focus on creating opportunities
of India
for creating AI.
Yes,
But after
usually
the act of AI,
the world will drastically change, but we will have to put check and balances on it.
Well said by just number 17, we can use AI and we can use it to create more job opportunities. Like we can ask ideas from AI that how can we cover up the loss of employment that is being generated.
Many other countries, there are also no many available opportunity for the youth who are being replaced by the use of AI.
But
I
just
also
remember
agree
that the AI system brings our employment. Like a small code requires a coding behind it. So I think it also provides employment to many engineers, like in civil, in CS department and artificial intelligence.
I agree with just number 27 that AI is also providing us opportunities for employment while also providing us quality results. So we
in the world we see the unemployment cases in America now
AI helps not only increasing the education level, but also increase the quality of the education which are provided in village areas and in remote areas also.
Well, then just number 28, artificial intelligence is also increasing the knowledge and quality of knowledge. World Power Index, India is the power in 4th position.
Gentlemen, just number 28 that mentioned about the education. Then regarding the education, it has been it has to be noticed that the person who comes really from that area understands the problem what is going on. But AI is not that featured up. It will enhance the knowledge. But what about the things which have the person experienced in their past life, and according to the experience, they distribute their education to the youngster who
Well
are
said by just number
studying.
18 that the traditional education system will be replaced and the new
Well said by just number 18. I think in modern world, all over the country and all over the students are focusing more on CS, more on AI development, and more on the coding. And if AI will be more developed, then what will happen to those students who are studying the same subject?
Well said by step number 25. But the students that are studying the subject of AI, they can further go into job careers like where they are creating AI. So like they will for creating even a simple AI, the amount paid is very huge. So they will be getting plenty of employment opportunity.
Very well said by chapter number 13. But
The sense
we must know that the
80% of
people
are employed
governing
in
this body
in this
about
sector, but,
creating AI
when
is
the
very less
people
than
being indulged in creating
the
the
one
AI, then
who is
this
being
number
affected
will
by this
drastically
and
reduce to 50%. In the other words, we can see that unemployment will be drastically increased.
Unemployment may be increased, but still the effect.
My point of view, AI
Anyway, there are many workers who are working.
अब डिफेंस एग्जाम क्रैक करना हुआ और भी आसान। त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी लेकर आए हैं बिल्कुल ही एडवांस लर्निंग ऐप। तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें और स्टार्ट करें अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस।